If you have a picture screenshot of a programming code, then you can actually utilize Qwen to go ahead and give you an actual code out of it. So to do that, you need to go ahead and then click on the plus button right here. And you can see that I have an option to upload document, image, video, or audio. Let me just go ahead and click on upload image right here. And then I'm going to go around onto my desktop and then choose this particular screenshot of a programming code that I have. So once you go ahead and do that, you can upload out the code right here just like this and say, give me the code out of this screenshot right here just like this. So if I were to go ahead and send it this, then what happens is that Qwen will analyze out the screenshot right here and will actually give me an editable code right here just like this out of that screenshot. You can also tell it to debug the code right here so that it runs properly. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the feature of converting the screenshot to code inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.